Hey guys, we received this Gucho solar genomes decoration for yard for test and try. It's a outdoor garden genomes figurine that the lights and the weather resistant and the lawn decor statue for patio. So you can put it in anywhere and it have a solar light. So comes in a really nice protective casing and very nice lightweight statue here. It's really a nice like a genomes decoration. Looks nice too. This is the solar panel. So you just take this out so that it can charge solar, and then there's a light in the hand. So just on it, and I have to just cover it so that it will work. But I can just put it in the night to show it to you. So it's a very nice build. I like this structure and the design. The coloring and everything is good. So feel really good and looks good, lightweight and waterproof as well. So I have to charge it in the solar light for some time and then show it to you. So I just put it outside for some time and you can see it's really looks nice in the plot. So in the night when it's charged, the light is on. Looks really nice and yeah, I would say is overall a very nice decorative structure. You can put it indoor or outdoor and then have fun with it.